All right, so today we're going to be making a pumpkin spider. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, first up we have this beaded uh, wreath or whatever. I got it from Dollar Tree. Um, so we're going to use this to make the legs of the spider. No, I want the legs to be even and symmetrical. So I went ahead and counted the beads and just divided by two. That'll give me like an even number. Then I just marked it and just made my cut. Gonna use these wire cutters, cut it right in half. All right, and that's how they turned out. So I went ahead and used a paintbrush and just some regular paint from Walmart. I didn't want to use spray paint. I just reserved that for like bigger pieces. But I'm gonna be using a black and orange pattern for the Halloween theme. And this is how they turned out. And I added a little bit of hot glue at the end just to make sure the beads don't come apart. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on the body of the spider. Gonna go ahead and spray paint these pumpkins. And I'm using my favorite Behr spray paint. This is a black satin. Now it's really hard to spray paint these pumpkins, like underneath. I don't know why. Maybe because it's so windy outside, but um, I'm gonna have to go back later and touch it up with a paintbrush. It won't look the same as the rest, but at least I won't have all those white spots underneath. And I think I applied like maybe 2 or 3 coats. That's all that was needed. Alright, to join the 2 pumpkins together, I just hot glued them together in the middle and added these wooden skewers at the bottom with more hot glue. And as you can see underneath, there's spots where I missed with the spray paint, but like I said, I'll go back later with the paintbrush and touch that up. Alright, so I had to get this ribbon from Dollar Tree. It's got like a skull pattern. So I went ahead and made a bow with it, and I'm gonna hot glue it right on the top. And I didn't stop with just that. I went and got another ribbon from Dollar Tree, but this it has a spider web pattern. And to give it more of an insect look, I decided to crinkle the ribbon a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is fold down the corner and just fold backwards on the ribbon. And I'm gonna repeat that process all the way down. Alright, when I get to the bottom, I'm just gonna give it a really firm squeeze to make sure everything is creased and perfect. And then when I let go, it's gonna have a nice crinkle effect. Nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut another one the same length, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Then I'm going to hot glue it right behind that orange ribbon. And then after that, I'm going to hot glue the legs on. Now the funny story about that is, I know spiders have 8 legs, but guess what? My wallet only had like $2 or $3 in it, so I got to work with what I got. But all in all, I think it turned out great, and here it is. All right, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Catch you guys next time.